Hi guys, it's Glenn Cameron from Super Visuals here. Hopefully you guys are staying inside, being safe and washing your hands. With the idea of washing your hands and staying inside, I've challenged two photography friends of mine, Jamila Cruz and Jillian Gulu, to an indoors photography challenge. Yesterday we had a Zoom call to so I can explain every rule we had. So let's go to the Zoom call and see what happened.
No está, Juditera mitad, Juditera no está.
So yeah, guys, this is the photography in-house challenge. I would like to start with you guys introducing yourself. So go ahead.
So
First, Gulu.
yeah, I'll start first. Yeah, guys, what's up? My name is Kristen Gulu. I go by the name of Jillian Gulu. I've been in photography, I think, for about 10 years already. Plus, I started out with videography from extreme sports, but along the way, I found a love for and a passion for photography as well.
Okay, cool. Jamilo.
Hi guys, my name is Jamila Cruz. Yeah, I've been taking pictures, you can say, for like 5, maybe 6 years. And besides photography, I do a lot of different other things, but I just have this big love for, documenting people and all kinds of things next to me, whatever the hell it is. So, yeah.
Okay, cool. Right now, I'll go over the rules we have for the challenge. It's simple for rules. Rule number 1 is only shoot indoors. Rule number 2 is cannot use a model. Rule number 3 is use whatever you have in the house, so whatever objects you want. And 4, self-portraits are allowed, so have fun with that.
All right.
That's the basic rules we have. So yeah, that's it. Do you guys have anything you want to say before the challenge starts?
Not really.
Not really?
Maybe Jamilo. I say let the creative party begin.
Jamil, do you have something to say?
Same sentiment, dude. Let's get it, dude.
Yeah, guys, just finished collecting all the products I want to use into the photo shoot, and yeah, wasted about 1 hour. So I guess let's see.
Hey guys, as you guys may know, Glenn challenged us in photography to do something at home, few hours, take anything that you want, couple of rules. I mean, let's just go for it. I'm seeing what I got in my backyard, and I mean, this looks like a pretty great scenery. I'll say if I can do like maybe a self-portrait over here.
So yeah, guys, I guess we're done with the challenge. How did it go for you guys?
Okay, so first of all, thanks again for inviting me. It was great. Walking around the house, thinking about what to take, like, man, it was hard for a couple of minutes. It was very hard because I didn't have any idea. I didn't do my homework or anything, so I just like flow and yeah, I just went through a bunch of garbage and saw what I had and just tried to be creative as possible.
Cool.
I mean, I used my backyard, used a couple of lights, I even used like a base with water, like various of stuff. I mean, you guys are going to see it. I vlogged it. I have the pictures. Of course, you guys are going to see the pictures that
sounds
the final of this
interesting.
video. So, I mean, all in all, it was great. Yeah, it was great. It was a great challenge, especially if you want to create something. It challenges you to make something in a minimal amount of time, which is nice, which I love actually. I mean, it was great. It was great.
Milo?
Oh shit! Sorry, internet. Well, I think the challenge was very great because usually it takes you about not a day, but maybe like a few hours to kind of think of what you're gonna photograph and put it together. Mine was a bit simple. I was kind of just sitting there, kind of thinking, what should I do? And then I encountered like a vase with like flowers. So I just I kind of think, okay, and it reminds me of a conversation we had like earlier, the on the first call.
No.
It was about the cameras, the old cameras. So I just used that at the end, and it was pretty challenging to kind of think, okay, what can I do with this and stuff. So
What was the idea behind it?
I genuinely don't know. I looked at it, I was like, damn, I could put something in it.
Okay.
Then that was it basically.
I'm gonna show you guys. Let me see if it's ready. I'm gonna show you guys. No, it's right. That's right. I'm gonna share screen with you guys so you can see. Show you guys 4 pictures that I randomly took. So it's randomly taken from all of the ones I took today.
All right, man.
Yeah. Can you see? Can you guys see it?
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh,
So
Yeah.
oh shit.
Yeah,
This
this
is
is,
far. Yeah.
burnt paper. I had different ideas on it.
Yeah.
Pure aesthetics. Pure aesthetics. And this is funny. I mixed milk with food coloring,
Yeah.
and that's why I gave it that milky minty. And for the lock, I had mint color paper, so it went with pure aesthetics. Well,
Nice.
Jesus
Nice.
Christ.
yeah, those are the 4 pictures I have to show. Is there any final words you want to say to the people that will see the video?
I mean, first of all, thanks again.
Yeah, thanks for joining,
is-
by the way. It was cool.
Yeah, this is
Both.
something new for all of us.
Yeah.
Actually, very challenging. And I mean, if you're a creative, if you're interested in videography, photography, just go out there and just do it. I mean, you don't need to have like the biggest top camera of all. You can just take it with your iPhone,
Yeah.
Samsung, whatever you have laying around. If you are interested in making something, just do it. Don't wait for the next gear. Don't let people say, yeah, you don't have that camera. You
Yeah.
can't take really great,
Yeah.
really great pictures. I mean, you can take anything actually. You can take anything with anything you have on hand and make it yours. As
Yep.
long as the day you're being creative and you're expressing yourself out there. So, I
Yep.
mean, that's
Yep.
it, man.
Basically, what I totally agree with you, by the way. And the camera is just a tool, right? So, if you're building a house, if you have a hammer or a jackhammer, it's still one tool. So you'll use what you have.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep, exactly.
So, Jamilo, any final words? Not
well,
final,
I
like
just gotta
final,
say, like,
final, but
Yeah, to most photographers out there, or anybody that like is not working or doing stuff at the moment, if you guys have any challenges to go do or be creative without actually having to exit your house, to risk
Yeah.
because of the COVID-19 situation, I'd suggest do it 100%. It like shows you a way so you can be more creative whenever you do go outside and take on clients and all that. And also, I don't know, it kind of shows you when you started photography, you just
Yeah.
wanted to take pictures of everything. So yeah, go back to the roots, take
Yeah.
pictures of everything you see that's beautiful and all that. So yeah.
So yeah, you guys, I think you put it best. But if anyone wants to follow us on social media, I think the links will be below. I don't think it's. I'm sure of it. I'll put it there. Yeah, below, upwards, wherever. But there's gonna be a link. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you
Right,
for
guys.
Hey,
joining the challenge. I'm excited to see your pictures, man.
yep, excited to see yours, you
definitely.
guys.
Yeah.
No problem.
Peace, guys.
Stay home, stay active.
So yeah, I've asked each photographer to send me their top 3 favorite photo, and here they are. We've also had a poll on social media for you to vote on which photo was your favorite, and the winner was Jamilo Cruz from Fresh Portraits.